the Pink Lady. And this is what I'm talking about right here. There's a string on the front of it. I believe it's like a cutty hunk. Now, this was built way back in the early 50s. And I had the opportunity to interview the man that designed and built and named the Pink Lady. So let's get Cosmos to shoot us off into time, 1985 to be exact, at Silver King Resort up in the Straits of Juan de Fuca, because this is the place that most of all them good fishermen did like to fish. And so let's have him tell us how it got the name, the Pink Lady.
Duke.
The Duke. What year is that boat of yours? Take the steam.
That boat was produced in 1957.
1957. Does it catch as many fish as you think it does?
That boat's got more fish than you got fingers and toes in a matter of 15 minutes.
What's the name of your boat?
Used to be the Pink Lady before I stole it.
Before you stole the boat?
No, the Pink Lady.
And remember, we heard it here first.
And remember, we heard it here first.